Oh, hey, how'd the sales pitch go? They gonna be buying paper from Dunder and Schmifflin? Oh, hey. Yeah, I think it went pretty well. I mean, we got the job done and I think we presented well. I just think that they might be in a little bit of transition, so it was a little bit hard to read exactly what they wanted. But, we did it. It felt good. We'll see what happens. Excellent. We'll just see what happens. Ball's in their court. So yes, I'm trying to be funny and all that, but what what I want the biggest takeaway for you to watch that is notice how in part one that the person's inner child pops up because somebody in authority has asked them a question. And now that they have to they dissociate a little bit and they give off way too unnecessary information when the boss simply wants to know how it went. And notice in the second part, and I get it that it doesn't always go that smoothly, that the person just answers the question and is not attached to the possibilities. That's what I want you to walk away with.